How to make an elegant, easy Dollar Tree gift basket. I have my basket from the Dollar Tree. It says fresh cut trees. And I have a sign, and it says Merry Christmas from our house to yours. And it has a cute little gnome on it. He's going to sit in the back for stability. Then I have this festive tree. I'm going to stick that right in the middle. I have a hot chocolate packet. And I have an ornament. I have a stocking ornament. I love that because it's like those pillows and shirts that were real popular for a while that they flip back and forth. All the crazy trends that they come out with. Stick that in front of the hot chocolate. Then I have some chocolate spoons to stir your hot chocolate with. It's okay to play around, and I'm going to put that in the back and the little Christmas bell in the front. And then I have this really cute sweater ornament. Stick them in front of the stocking and a snowman. Then I grabbed some tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. They don't have the Christmas ones out yet, but this one comes with red and it comes with blues and greens. You get 24 sheets for $1, and they've been selling this forever at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to bunch it up. Stick a little bit of tissue paper behind the tree in front of the sign. And I think I will use a green. As it gets closer to Christmas, I will put a card in the box who the little basket goes to. Here's what it looks like up close. And some of the fun stuff is hidden, so it's a surprise with the tissue paper. And the little snowman is peeking out. With the tree. For under $10, you can make a really nice gift basket for a friend, coworker, employee, someone that works around your area, such as a bus driver or mail carrier. This is one of the many gift baskets that I will be doing for my YouTube channel. I will be doing others, kids, men, as well as teens, transgender, to give you ideas to put into the baskets, to personalize it, to really make it special for that person. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, when we get to 700, we have a $10 Dollar Tree gift card giveaway. New subscribers, as well as comments. If you comment, you must be subscribed. People who are new must comment they are new in order to qualify. And you must be a U.S. resident.